Good morning, Greg. Hey, just here with our team here. Steve, our engineering support person here, doing all the parts here. My senior most employee, Danny, and Ernest. So they're working here on these parts, and we've got some angst over how we're making these because these parts are quite difficult because there's a combination of rolling and step forming on the ends. All right, so you can see here the shape, overall shape of it, and so this from here to the same spot on the other side, it's rolled, and then here is step formed all the way down. So you can see the step forming. If you close your eyes, you can feel it, but you can also see it as well. And so here, got here, part here, he's got here. There is gaps. I mean, think about it. There's to keep this shape to the template. We cut a template. This is our template, right, Danny? Yeah, this is our template. We cut the template to the ideal theoretical, and this is the actual. All right. So our concern is, will you reject these parts? Will you reject these parts or not? Because right now, this is the best we can do because we're having to step form it, and then this right here is difficult because this radius is different than here, than here, and different than there. Sorry, I talk a little fast. Anyway, so my question is, given what you see in this video, are you happy with what you see? Are we worried too much? I'm hoping you say that we are, because again, it is not easy to get these to be perfect. Is this good enough? All right, so there you go. Plus, there's one other thing. There is some flex in these, right? There's if I have it under its own weight versus letting it go, it opens up. So there you go. All right, thanks.